Check him out. Y'all check him out. Y'all check him out, boy. Look at my man right here in the truck. Look. And is that a Tundra? A Tacoma? What is that? Oh, he's gonna hit the other truck. He's gonna hit the other truck. Oh, he's gonna hit it. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. He almost hit that other truck, bro. Oh my God. Look at it. Y'all watch this guy. What? He is way off. Look. Oh my gosh, kids. Look at these cars. All these cars over here are wondering what. All these cars over here waiting. They're like, what in the world is going? This guy's going. He's like, get me up out of here. Look, that thing's on there crooked, boys. I mean, that thing's on there crooked. Look. Somebody just yelled stop. I don't know who they're talking to. Somebody just yelled stop. He's got it this time. He's got it. He's got it. Keep going. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. No. Other way. Ah, he almost had it. Don't pull all the way. Oh my gosh, bro. He keeps pulling all the way up. What is going on? Oh my gosh. Hey, look at this dude in the green truck on the left. No, look. Oh, this guy's gonna cut him off. Come on, dude. Somebody's got to help him out. All right, meanwhile, coming over here on lane 89. Are they going to nail it? Oh, this dude's had enough. He just said forget about it. Look.